and also I have a problem with shopping. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I am T with Jackie P. I film food, DIYs, reviews, and other random things. So if you like videos like that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and we will be friends. So today's video is going to be super short, but I just wanted to unbox my Diamond member box from ULTA. I am a Diamond member now. If you guys don't know what Diamond member is, they already have 2 tiers. So they had like the regular ULTA membership, and then if you spend a certain amount then you get platinum. They did recently add the diamond level status to ULTA, where you have to spend at least 1,000 within the year to get diamond, and that's really embarrassing to say that I've spent that much money at ULTA. Well, anyway, I have this box, and they give you this once you hit diamond. And I know that there is a $25 gift card in there for a salon service that you can use in there, but they also come with another little gift in there, and apparently they're all different in the box. So I'm excited to see what I got in this little box. It'll come to you in your email once you hit diamond, and then you just redeem it like those free little gifts that ULTA sends you. So okay, so instantly you get this little card that says, "Congrats, you're a diamond. Welcome to the top of our brand new exclusive group of beauty's biggest fans. Special extra sparkly perks are coming your way." So basically, when you are a diamond member, let's see. Oh, you have to spend 1,200 in a calendar year. That's even worse. You get 1.5 times the points, so you earn points 50% faster. You get free shipping on orders of $25 or more all the time. And you get that $25 reward card. Oh, you get that reward card every year. That's exciting. Okay, I thought you just got this box once. But when you open up the box, it has the $25 gift card in the lid. $25 off of your next service. You at least have to purchase a little over $25. You have to minimum purchase is $25.01. And my gift is this full size, exciting, Estee Lauder Pure Color Love lipstick in the color 210 Naughty Nice. I don't know what color it is, and I've never had an Estee Lauder lipstick, so that's exciting. We will see what she looks like. Oh, it's a pink. Oh, this is, oh, okay. Interesting packaging. I don't know how to open this. Do you like push it? Oh, you twist and pull up. Like, this is nice packaging. So you twist. Oh, I'm twisting the wrong way. Or you just pull, I guess. And then it comes in this like weird shaped tip. But it's like a hot pink color. It's not my favorite color, but I will wear it, and I guess I'll try it on. I don't really know how to use this like tip. It feels really nice. It has kind of like a slight vanilla scent to it, and it doesn't say if it's a cream or a matte, but it definitely feels more of a cream like sheen texture. It's pretty light. It's not drying down matte or anything. It feels pretty comfortable on the lips. I don't personally wear this color a lot, but I don't hate it. Like, I honestly am kind of glad it's not a red color. Just because I don't wear a ton of red lipstick, and I just purchased a red lipstick, so that would be a little sad if that is what I got. So it did take me a while to hit diamond. Obviously, $1,200 is a lot of money to spend in a calendar year, but it does add up quickly when you do go shopping, especially for all of you guys who are like huge members at Sephora. You guys know how fast it goes. This is really cool. I don't really know what all the prizes are in the box. I've heard some people get mascara and like other things in there. So I don't know, I didn't realize it was all a different gift, but that's super exciting. I also think they picked this color because it's kind of like ULTA pink, so it's like that hot pink magenta color. And it'll showcase some of the brands that ULTA carries. So if there's something that you haven't tried, like I haven't tried this Estee Lauder, it's really fun. Obviously I spent a lot of money to get that little gift, but it's still kind of nice to get a full-size item when I really wasn't expecting much. And you get a $25 off of the beauty service. The salons in Ulta are really great. They do a lot of services, and a lot of people don't know that Ulta has a salon, but they do facials, haircuts, hair masks, hair dyeing, highlights. I think they even do perms and stuff. They do blowouts. They do a lot of stuff. So Ulta is very well rounded in the beauty area, and they have a lot of stuff to offer. So really racking up 1,200 points or $1,200 sounds insane, but just think this was over a span of a year. So yeah, so if you guys are a diamond member at Ulta and you guys have a box, let me know what you guys got in the box, because I didn't know, like I said a million times, that you get something different. So I would be really excited to see what you guys got in your box. And if you guys have any questions about the Ulta Rewards program, let me know in the comments down below and I can let you know. And if you guys have any ideas for videos too that you would like to see, let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Get out of my eye. Whatever is in my eyeball, get out.